Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. So today we have our highly anticipated eyeshadow palette giveaway that we give away once a month. And today it is the brand new Natasha Denona Hot Topic palette. Look how pretty this is. So these shades did come out like in an Ipsy bundle, and they were part of the Natasha Denona Glam palette. So all the looks, all the swatches are going to be done off of my Glam palette. This one is yours, brand new, not swatched, not touched. So we're going to talk a little bit about it, let you know what you need to do in order to win, do some swatches, do some looks, all that fun stuff. So you guys, this palette retails for $48. It is ready to steal the spotlight. This travel-friendly palette features 5 iconic shades from Natasha Denona's best-selling eyeshadow palette with cool tones and her signature creamy matte metallic formulas. This palette is your go-to for effortlessly transitioning from soft daytime looks to bold evening glow. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. I try and do these eyeshadow palettes once a month. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the video in their entirety. Somewhere in today's videos is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. So I love the Natasha Denona formula. It's so good. It's one of my, the Glam palette especially. This one is one of my favorite ones. So let's get into some of the swatches. Like I said, I'm going to do the swatches on my Glam palette, so I'm not touching yours. So this shade right here is this one right here. This shade right here is this one here. So the first matte is the second one from the end. It is this one here. And our last matte, this one here, I love using as an all over, set the primer down type of shade. It is this one here in the corner. So here are the swatches from the palette. Let's get into a couple of the looks. So I'm going to go for a pretty basic look today, kind of using this one, and that one. Looks like this one here is the transition shade here. So let's put that all over the lid. And I want to put a little bit underneath. Now this shade here looks like it is the crease shade here. So let's go ahead and put that in our crease a little bit in the outer corner. And I want to put a little bit in the lower lash waterline and bring that up. And then this shade here looks like it's the center eyelid shade right here. So let's put that all over the lid. They're so shimmery. Okay, let me put some mascara and lips on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. Okay, let's go ahead and set everything down with that transition shade. I believe it is this one here. Then let's go into the crease. This one, this second one here, which I think is this one right here. So we're gonna go this one in the outer lid, which I think is this one right here. This one in the center. which I think is this one right here. And then this one right here in the inner, which I think is this one right here. And then I do, just on my end, take this lash line here, a little bit on this outer corner and kind of flick it up. And then bring whatever's left in. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. So I am gonna go to an event right now and then I'll film basically the intro to this and the exit to this as soon as I get back. So I just got back from my event. It was super fun. It was a charity fashion show for one of our local hospitals here. One of my cousins is the foundation director for the event. So she invited me to it and it was so much fun. Did everyone have a good Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments down below. I love spending time with my son when he was back here on vacation just for a couple days, and then he had to go back to school and then he'll come back for Christmas. So just a little bit and then I get to see him again. So what did you guys think of the palette? Let me know in the comments down below. Secret word of the day is festival. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And also make sure to put on it that secret word. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damage, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through January 9th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then after that, what I will do is if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, so you can make sure to fill out the forms. You can follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB followed by the letter B. That'll get you an extra bonus entry. And if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. So make sure to mark on it if you did do those bonus entry items. Only mark on them if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So after the 9th, I will take the first name, first initial, the last name of those forms. If everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!